How to create multiple folders on Windows 11 device. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create multiple folders in Windows 11 device at once. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly from the start menu, you need to open command prompt. So simply type command and right click on command prompt application. Then after from the menu, choose the option of run as administrator and the command prompt window will open. In that window, firstly what you need to type is cd/d. After that, now you need to write the path of the folder in which you want to create the multiple folder. So simply copy the path of the folder where you want to create multiple folder in File Explorer. Once you have copied, again open command prompt and paste the path. Then after click on enter and now that folder is opened in command prompt. Now type md. Then after type the name of the folder which you want to create. Now once you click enter and go back to that folder, you can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, different folders has been created. So that's it. That is how easily you can create multiple folder at once in Windows 11 device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such a tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.